USD now we are based on daily chart. Okay, we don't have much information. I mean, we cannot explain much on the daily chart. In this case, we move to forward chart. Okay, based on the forward chart, if you refer back to my last video, I mentioned that one thing is, may we consider this one as a channeling. Okay, but right now we see some changes. Now, do we need to consider this one as this type of the flat, or still we consider the channel? Okay, in this case, that means we can expect the price to drop. But if we want to look for sell, if when we draw this line here, selling within this range is not good. That means we need the price to break this, give a confirmation, then the drop. Then do we need to look for this sell in term of, I mean within this one, in term of the risk and reward? Is not really good sell. Okay, that's why we are not interested in this sell, because if the price drop here, there is a possibility we get this correction here. Okay, now what we wanted, if the thing is, we are more interested if we consider this move is finished and this is the start of the up move. That means we have one move, this is a correction. That means we should look for buy. We are more interested if we get the buy setup, because in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us a better trade rather than this. Okay, that's mean right now for the next week we want to see what we will get here. Even the price drop, we are not really interested in the sell, but if we get a sell setup, it depends on the traders. But right now we are not interested in the sell setup, we are more interested in the up move. Okay, in this case we move to 1 hour chart. Based on the 1 hour chart, from what I have right now here, if the market open and we see the price sharply move, we don't take the trade. For example, if the price sharply move and break this top, we don't take the trade, then we will wait for the next correction to take the trade. Okay, this is the I mean, in case that when the market open, we don't get any trade setup from here and then sharply move. Okay, but if we want to look for buy, we are more interested the price drop somewhere around here, or the best is come to this level. The price drop, then from there we look for up move. That means we get this flat or this flat. Buying from here is not a good idea. Even right now we don't have any buy setup, because we want a price drop. In that case we will have 1 2 3 in relative to this, and this will be 1 2 3 in relative to this correction. Okay, again we are more interested in the up move, but we want the price drop some more. We get this correction, this flat, then from there if we get the buy setup, we look for buy. Even if drop some more somewhere around here, it is better for us. But the down move, again, if for example draw this line, the down move, we won't sell here. If we want to look for the sell, we wait the price drop, break this line, then from there we can sell. But we are not really interested in this unless we get really good confirmation for the down move. Anyway, we just wait the market to open, then we see how this flat or the correction can be formed. Then from there we look, if we get the buy setup, we look for buy. But also there is a possibility the price come back to this, as I explained just now, based on forward chart. Okay, that's why if we want to get the buy setup, we better with the price drop somewhere around here, we get the buy setup confirmation, then we look for buy. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.